Yeah, Southside Harley-Davidson and Jesse James Bourbon are Rolling Sturgis, giving you a chance to win a brand new 2021 Electra Glide Harley-Davidson motorcycle and many more prizes, including a trip to the legendary Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, staying at the Full Throttle Saloon's Pappy, Hoel Campground, the official campground of the Harley-Davidson Motor Company. Swing into Southside Harley-Davidson. Pick up your Rolling Sturgis Voucher and register to win big. You can download the app and increase your chances to win by checking in every time you go into Southside Harley-Davidson. You can also check in on that app when you're over at Big Red Liquors, picking up your bottle of Jesse James Bourbon, what I call Liquid America. Southside Harley-Davidson with Jesse James Bourbon, along with the VFW organization. There's not a more friendly bunch to our military than the VFW organization or someone that rides a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Again, get over, hit that QR code, because Southside Indiana, Rolling Sturgis. Pow!